Hello, welcome back to Anea Healthy Living. Supercharge your immunity the smoothie way. Want a strong immune system? Feeling your best is key, right? Smoothies are your secret weapon. They're like a party in a glass, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. These nutrients are like little ninjas fighting off those nasty bugs that try to bring you down. Ready to feel amazing? We're diving into the world of delicious, immune-boosting smoothies. We're talking simple recipes, easy-to-find ingredients, and taste bud explosions. It's time to unlock your inner mixologist and whip up some magic. Recipe 1, the Sunshine Burst Smoothie. Let's start our smoothie adventure with a burst of sunshine, shall we? This recipe is like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day, guaranteed to brighten your mood and boost your defenses. 1 cup chopped mango, frozen. Half a cup pineapple chunks, frozen asterisk. 1 banana, ripe. Half a cup orange juice. 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, optional for extra creaminess. 1. Toss everything into your blender. 2. Whiz it up until smooth and creamy. 3. Pour into your favorite glass. C. Easy peasy. Now let's talk about why this smoothie is so amazing. Recipe 1. The Sunshine Burst Smoothie, continued. This tropical delight is bursting with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that gives your immune system a serious boost. Mangoes are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. The vibrant orange color of mangoes is due to the presence of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. It's also a good source of vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy mucous membranes, your body's first line of defense against invaders. This means that enjoying mangoes can help keep your respiratory and digestive systems in top shape. This juicy fruit is packed with bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapples are also known for their high manganese content, which is essential for bone health and metabolism. Plus, it's a good source of vitamin C, adding to the immune-boosting power of this smoothie. The combination of mango and pineapple creates a tropical flavor explosion that's both refreshing and nutritious. Don't let their humble appearance fool you. Bananas are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Bananas are particularly known for their high potassium content. They're an excellent source of potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and muscle function. This makes bananas a great choice for athletes and anyone looking to maintain healthy muscle function. And they provide a good dose of vitamin B6, which supports immune function. Vitamin B6 is also important for brain health and can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Bursting with vitamin C, orange juice is a classic immune booster. Oranges are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also provides hydration, which is essential for overall health and well-being. Staying hydrated helps maintain energy levels, supports digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy and radiant. So, enjoy this Sunshine Burst smoothie and give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Recipe 2. The Green Machine Smoothie. Ready to power up with some greens? This smoothie is like a salad in a glass, but way more fun to drink. It's packed with leafy goodness and a touch of sweetness to make those taste buds sing. 1 cup spinach, fresh or frozen. Half a cup kale, fresh or frozen. 1 green apple, cored and chopped. Half a cucumber chopped. Half a cup pineapple chunks frozen. Half a cup water or coconut water. 1. Blend all ingredients until smooth. 2. Add more liquid if needed to reach desired consistency. This green goodness is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Let's break down the benefits. Section 5, Recipe 2, the Green Machine. energized. Section 6. Recipe 3. The Berry Blast Smoothie. Let's talk about antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage cells and weaken the immune system. This smoothie is bursting with berries, nature's antioxidant powerhouses. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, frozen, 1 banana, ripe, half a cup Greek yogurt, optional for extra creaminess, a 1/4 cup almond milk or milk of choice. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in your blender. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with immune-boosting benefits. Let's dive into the nutritional highlights. Section 7. Recipe 3. The Berry Blast Smoothie continued. The berry benefits: mixed berries. Berries are nutritional superstars loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, blueberries are packed with antioxidants, and raspberries provide a good dose of fiber and manganese. Banana. As we learned earlier, bananas are a great source of potassium and vitamin B6, both of which support overall health and immune function. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein and probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system, as it plays a vital role in fighting off harmful bacteria. Section 8. Beyond the blender tips for maximum smoothie power. Now that you've got the recipes, let's talk about some extra tips to take your smoothies to the next level. These tips will not only enhance the flavor and texture of your smoothies, but also boost their nutritional value, making them even more beneficial for your health. Frozen fruit is your friend. Using frozen fruit can be a game changer for your smoothies. Frozen fruit not only makes your smoothies extra thick and creamy, but also helps preserve nutrients. The freezing process locks in vitamins and minerals, ensuring you get the most out of your ingredients. Plus, it's a great way to use up fruit that's about to go bad. Instead of throwing away overripe bananas or berries, freeze them and use them later. Get creative with greens. Don't be afraid to experiment with different greens in your smoothies. Spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, and even herbs like parsley and mint can add a nutritional punch and a refreshing flavor. Greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost your immune system and overall health. Boost the protein. Adding a scoop of protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nut butter to your smoothies can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, making them a great breakfast or post-workout snack. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it can also help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Spice things up. A pinch of cinnamon, ginger, or turmeric can add a warming flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits to your smoothies. These spices not only enhance the taste, but also offer various health benefits, such as improved digestion and reduced inflammation. So, don't hesitate to experiment with different spices to find your perfect blend. Section 9. Listen to your body. The smoothie experiment. Remember, these recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to adjust the ingredients and quantities to suit your taste and dietary needs. Pay attention to how your body feels after enjoying these smoothies. Do you feel more energized? Do you notice a difference in your digestion? The beauty of smoothies is that they're incredibly versatile, allowing you to create endless combinations of flavors and nutrients. So have fun experimenting and discover your own signature immune-boosting blends. Section 10. Join the smoothie revolution. Incorporating smoothies into your diet is an easy and delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. By choosing nutrient-rich ingredients and experimenting with different flavor combinations, you can create smoothies that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also support your immune system and overall well-being. So, dust off that blender, grab your favorite fruits and veggies, and join the smoothie revolution. Your body will thank you for it. Section 11. A world of flavor, a world of health. Remember, eating for your health doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity and a good blender, you can enjoy delicious, immune-boosting smoothies that make you feel amazing from the inside out. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. Do you like this content? Like, share, and comment.